Alright, you guys, I am in HomeGoods. Oh my gosh, look at all this fun Easter decor. We have some new gnomes, new bunnies, a few snow globes, like this little guy right here by Martha Stewart. He is 10. So fuzzy, moss one. She looks familiar to the other ones we've seen before. These are 7. Oh, she has carrots in her bag. Very healthy. $39.99, so 40. And I know we've seen this bunny. This one is 20. These are by Martha Stewart, and they're painting eggs. I love the large ears on them too. It's another tree. More Martha. I want to know what these snow globes play. They're 17. These are 10 on these little porcelain guys right here. I don't want them to fall. Quite a few moss bunnies. It sounded like Little Lance of Mine, or what is that song called?
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah, that sounded like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it shine, shine on down. 15.
Almost like a Civil War.
That's 15. I'm not too sure. That's what it sounds like. 15.
Easter's coming.
$7 right here.
Oh, here's those bats.
Yeah. And then we got this guy right here. He is 8. Ooh, let me get to this egg. I love the eggs. These are $5.99. The fat purple bunny. I get to this guy right here.
Oh, that's cool.
I know. 15. Okay, tell me he is not adorable. He is stinking adorable. It says Happy Easter on it for 15. I haven't seen this one with the umbrella. That one's really cute. Normally it's the one with the yellow. Yeah. The yellow umbrella. Let me move this one out. An 8 cupcake. And this one's 8. And Church of Easter Miracles. That's the new one. These are by Blue Sky for 20. And $12.99. Hold on, Chucky. Look at the web feet. And $12.99. 20 for Happy Easter. And $12.99. She's new. There is one where she's just standing up holding like macaroons on her egg. Then we got more bunnies back here. This little bunny family.
Good.
I could pull that out.
I'm gonna actually put these back there so we could just put that up front.
$25. They're cute. We have more bunnies. There's a bunny capybara with bunny ears. That's kind of funny. Okay, I found the large one. So we've been finding the large bunnies. Let's see. $29.99 for the large bunny hat. And we got the hip hop. It's 20. Yep, $20. One with the large carrot. A little side bow. Gotta be careful pulling stuff out. It's that cute plush bunny in the back. 20.
I wonder how much that plush one is. I wonder if it's expensive because it's been used.
The little chick man.
15 for the stuff.
That's $12.99. 7 for the donut one. It says Happy Easter on it. More chicks in the back. Those are cute. It's $12.99. It's a large gold one. More porcelain bunnies. Tons of stuff. Like a lot of plushies. Oh, that's Stitch. Okay, there's Stitch out here somewhere. Churches. These are $12.99. That was gonna fall over. It does light up. Got the pink ones, the eggs. No terracotta eggs yet. See, there's this bunny, and we moved this guy out the way. Right here. And then more of the duckling with the raincoats. These are $25. So yes, I think I do enjoy looking at their web feet compared to them having rain boots on. I don't know, I like that detail. And if you want the large wooden one, like in the back, these are $30. Okay, let's go back. These set of 4 by Bunny Boulevard, and these are $15. $12.99. And then this one. We got all the friends. Got the chick, the bunny. This one's $15. This one's really pretty too. I moved those legs. And $60. Not a cookie jar. Kind of was expecting that. I haven't seen any cookie jars yet.
This is.
I like this one up here. This one's by Cupcake and Cashmere. $17. This one's gonna be new. $29.99. They really try to stack all the glass, so like it is really hard to get things out without dropping. Stitch Duck. He is risen, and that's $15. Miffy, of course. This one's new. I'm assuming it's by Blue Sky. Yeah, $29.99. We got the cute bunnies in the bag too. They're adorable. They're 10. Bunny's reading the book. You got the chocolate bunny. Oh, she has an umbrella. And this one's different. This is 20. Then more Laura Ashley eggs. Right here. These are 10. And I see Martha Stewart. Oh, I like this one too. $12.99. It does light up. The carrots. I want to get to the Martha Stewart. These are 15. That goes here.
So cute.
Then we got this one. Assuming Blue Sky. Yep, for 20. This carrot one is 25. Push that Push that back. When spring comes.
Look at these 3 tier.
These are cute, but that's gonna knock that over.
Cheese jar.
The chocolate ones, mini trees. It's 15. With the pink egg. Oops, let me put that back. I like that guy. The moss eggs are by Martha Stewart. These are $12.99. Oh, here's another one. Oh, it's heavy. It's 40.
That's a neat one.
I've never seen
Is
this.
it Tuscan marble?
I don't know.
I feel like
Made in
white- like the
Italy.
white might be.
Might be marble.
Yeah.
Well, it tells you maybe on this tag. I don't know.
Let me see.
And don't drop that. Purple eggs. This carrot. Bunny with the carrot. Look at the. This is $59.99. It's so funny.
Carved by the Tuscan masters of marble.
And
in
it says
Italy.
that?
Yeah. I've seen their stuff before. That's what they say about it. Yeah.
I hate how things are at the end. Oh my god. She's carrying the bunny carriage. 10. I've not seen that one. Then we got the large guy.
Yeah, oh yeah. She's good. She's talented. Very talented.
Is that 15?
Yes.
I'm glad his shepherd staff isn't
Like her mother.
because that would snap.
$12.99. There's another one down here. $15. $25. Hold on, let me try to get it right. $25, and that is by Blue Sky. And then $17. Then we have the large ones. Oh, the carrot cart. There's the Stitch. $40 for the duck with the umbrella. Oh my gosh. Not as much kitchen. I was hoping to find a lot of kitchen. Look at these guys. They're so cute. This is cute too. Kind of just stuff everything. Let me go back around. Bunnies, rabbits. It's like the purple one. And by Blue Sky, this is 20. Peter Rabbit. Let me get to this carrot one. 17. We got the cute lemon one. More Heat is Risen, and that's 17. There's some Valentine mixed in. 25, and then a small version of the Carrot Man. He's 15. Okay. Just need to put some eggs in here. Maybe some chocolate eggs. 15. A cute candy dish. I like the little chocolate ones. These dishes. I mean, they put flowers in that one. Hip Hop. These are $5.99. Oh, that's cute. Easter Bunny headquarters. This one's really cute. 25. Sometimes I forget you have to be careful with Blue Sky because there's always something like on top, like a figure or something. I'm just kind of lift it over like nothing. What about this yellow one? 7. Be the Sunshine. Okay. Peter Rabbit Hip Hop. Oh, that's all. But they have that here. Oh, Oh, child of God. Martha Stewart. These are 10. KitchenAid. The carrot. These are 10. Yeah, they don't have as much yet. We have a lot of St. Patrick's Day. Let me walk myself to the front real quick because I believe that was it for like anything kitchen wise. For Easter, I was hoping to find more. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. I know we've been finding like the little teacups and the flowers, but look at this down here. That is pretty. That's 15.
I see it on, yeah. If anything down here, like this fold section, did you want them just like that? They don't have you on the round one?
They have like the creamer too.
These are
These are 8. Salt and pepper shaker and the lemon one. Huh. These are 7. Then I did see more Easter up front. There you go. 15. More chick. Look at this chick. Oh, that's cute. Let me pick this up real quick. $12.99. That's
Look at
cute.
They're
How much
10.
is that? 10. $5.99 for the lamb. There's a small one. More bunnies. Okay, scoop it.
You're good.
The frog. He's adorable. Look at these carrots though. Oh, they have a purple one. Like that blue. $8 for her. It's a capybara with the egg. It's kind of funny.
The capybara is the new one.
The strawberry ones, again, if you're looking for strawberry ones, they do have them at Ross. We've been finding them at Ross, so hopefully you're able to find them. And I'm waiting for Ross to bring out like kitchen decor. If I could pull this out. This is by Cotton and Company. This is 10. That's only 10, okay. And the chicks, $12.99. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on the walkthrough in this Easter. Again, I'm still waiting on Easter dishes and more Easter towels, kitchen towels, bathroom decor. Normally they have like bathroom towels. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.